Let us start with an overview of ChatGPT. Before we go further, I would like to stress a couple of points about this course and how you need to approach it. You know very well that ChatGPT and various other models around this area are completely new. So it is still evolving and definitely it's going to improve a lot from the current state. Even the resources that are available as of now is still in the preliminary stage. I intend to cover as much details as possible that's going to help you as a programmer. Hence, the contents of this course is definitely be a starting point, and I'll be adding gradually about more details as and when the technology advances. I also want you to keep an open mind and look out for the new technologies and how you can apply these AI related technology at your stuff to improve your development. Let's learn together about how you can take leverage of these AI technologies to improve our programming expertise. Coming to ChatGPT, it uses natural language processing to provide helpful information in a conversational tone. So GPT is considered as one of the model where it's going to give you the various details in a conversational tone. GPT is considered the model where it's forming the backbone of all these information stuff. The ChatGPT is considered as an interface on top of it that is going to give you all these informations in a conversational tone. You can use natural language processing like as if you are talking to a colleague or to a friend, and it's going to reply you in a similar fashion. We are going to see extensive examples how this is going to be get applied in your programming knowledge. Let us take a few seconds to know more about OpenAI and the models. OpenAI is the company behind the GPT, ChatGPT, and various other utilities provided by it. Among the models, we have different types of models that is catering to a specific need. We are going to cover that shortly. As of now, these are some of the models that is available from the OpenAI company. The first among them is the GPT. This is the most popular model among the entire models supported by OpenAI as of now. This is considered a language model wherein you key in the required information, then it's going to output you the same information in a textual format. Next, we have Codex, which is specifically done for programming related tasks. Hence, you see that it is a programming language model that has been designed to work with various programming languages and give you the information specific to your coding constructs. For instance, in the case of GitHub Copilot, it uses the Codex model behind it. When it comes to ChatGPT, naturally it is going to use the GPT model that was just discussed earlier. Similarly, we have an image-based model named DAL-E, wherein it's going to generate an image based on the textual information that you have given. Finally, we have got Whisper, that is a new model that has been released that is going to be based on speech to text related model. You give certain audio file, then it's going to transcribe and give you the corresponding textual output. So these are all the models available as of the current recording. Definitely there are going to be more models available in the market as we keep progressing in this AI juncture. The focus of this course is on ChatGPT. Next, let us look at the different pricing models available to use ChatGPT at your side. Again, please note that these are available options as of now. Definitely the OpenAI company may tweak it then and there. The first and foremost is the free version. That is what we are going to use for this course as well. And I'm assuming that many of you will be using the same. ChatGPT free is the free version wherein you just need to go to their website, create an account, and then get started with using it. It is free as of now, but based on the resources that we can see that is getting consumed to generate these outputs, we're not sure whether it's going to be free for a long time. Let's see. So if it is free, then it's good for everyone. If not, then you may need to go for a paid version. As of now, it is still free. That's good. Next, we have ChatGPT Plus model, wherein they're going to charge you $20 per month. Here it has a better model and a faster response rates and many other perks. If you are going to be a power user of ChatGPT and you want a faster response, then you may consider to look into ChatGPT Plus. Finally, we have the API based approach where ChatGPT API is the tier where you can consume their services using token-based approach. This they call it as pay-as-you-go approach, wherein you're going to pay based on the number of tokens, or in short, the usage of the API. The charges as of now is about $0.002 per 1,000 tokens, where a token is considered a bit similar to a single word. Although technically it's not the same, but for the easier understanding, you can consider like a token is kind of a single English word. Of course, the entire focus of this current course is to know how you can apply ChatGPT in software development. There are many different ways you can apply, and I'm really excited that I'm going to share all this knowledge throughout various sections of this course. Those points that has been mentioned here are only a scratch of the surface. The first one is being like an overview of topics, wherein you can use GPT to have an overview of any topic that you want to explore further. For instance, you want to know about Kubernetes or say Docker or any specific topic like how to work with Azure storage, for instance. So you can get an overview of all those topics using ChatGPT. It's a great resource at this juncture. The second use case is about providing you with the step-by-step guidance on achieving certain things. For example, you can prompt it to generate a step-by-step information on how to deploy an Azure virtual machine. Similarly, you can ask it to give this list of steps that is needed to deploy a private Docker registry. It's going to give you the exact steps along with the code segments needed to validate and then deploy those changes. Third, we have code snippets, of course the most famous one, where you can ask GPT to generate certain code for deploying or achieving certain things. Again, for instance, you want to know a sample application to create a new web API project in .NET. Of course, you can come to GPT and ask for it. It's going to give you the exact code that is needed to create and start running the application within a few seconds. Finally, you can use GPT for troubleshooting any of the common issues that you face during your programming. As a programmer, I very well know that we definitely face various issues during our development or debugging or testing at our work. The usual workflow has been to go to Google search and then ultimately go to Stack Overflow and try out some of those options. Although it is good that we do have websites like Stack Overflow and various forums, usage of ChatGPT has tremendously improved my productivity when it comes to troubleshooting those issues. Instead of hopping to each of those websites, Stack Overflow threads and multiple websites, I just go to GPT, throw the error that I am facing and get the guidance from it. I am pretty sure that you are also excited to learn about GPT and how you can use this to boost your productivity. There is no doubt that when you use this tool, you are going to increase your productivity and knowledge on any programming aspects. Let's learn together and see how you can apply all those terminologies, technologies, as well as the various prompts engineering available to improve your productivity to the next level. Before I close this video, I just want to highlight a couple of things. The first thing is about the website, openai.com. So you can go to their website and to have up-to-date information on this technology. As I mentioned before, it's a very fast-moving tech, and I recommend you to check their website then and there to know what are the latest informations available. For instance, you can check the current products. We have so far GPT-4 is the current model, DAL-E, and then we have Whisper. So all these are the current models. Similarly, if you want to know about the up-to-date pricing, then you can go to their pricing webpage and look at what are the different pricing models available. Here they show different types of pricing models available for the different types of models like GPT, Chat, AI, and so on. Finally, I would like to stress one point that this slide is going to be likely the final slide using the PowerPoint presentations. I intend to have the hands-on approach for all the videos throughout this course. Hence, do not worry about the presentations or any technical information in the textual format. This is the only PowerPoint slide, and from now on, we are going to cover about ChatGPT using its interface for various scenarios that you can apply it.